be doing a Valentine's Day craft today. I'm going to be using the Rhinestone stencil set tonight. I'm going to be using the word love right here. So I'm going to make sure I get this right. This is a little sign that I bought from the Hoblob on clearance. So it was a light color wood, nondescript, nothing special. I kind of pinked it up a little bit for Valentine's Day. I put on, this looks black, but it's not. It is a charcoal color that I kind of hand mixed. I'm gonna grab a paper plate, not paper, styrofoam plate. And what I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna make a Valentine's Day wreath. It's gonna be heart shaped, just like this. And I'm gonna be doing it with some various colors of green. We're gonna put some green out here in the palette. This one is a forest green, one of my favorites, right here. This is a happy green, I think it's called. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start with that for now. A little bit of white on this. I'm gonna use some Casement Fusion Mineral Paint in the palette here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my brush good and dipped in here. And I'm going to create some vining. First I'm gonna create a heart with the green, the two colors of green, and I'm not mixing, I'm just kind of making them one on one side and one on the other. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try really hard to make a heart shape. Just kind of skiff around. See what I'm doing with the edge of my angle brush, like this. This is where we're gonna start, okay? Then I'm gonna go in, grab up some of that light green and some of the dark green, maybe a little touch of white, just a touch. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like create leaves. How you do that is you just kind of push down like this and then kind of come up like that. And as you come up, it creates a point. See that? Like that, push down. And as you come up like that, it creates a little leaf. So far, what do you think? Not much going on. So next, I'm trying to debate on what I want this wreath to be. I'm almost thinking I'm gonna take my my pointy brush, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna add, I'm gonna get some good amount of white on there. I'm gonna just add some swirls of white coming in and out and around. So there's what we got so far. I am going to go back to my angle brush because that's how I'm going to do my roses. And make sure that this is dry just a little bit. I'm gonna do a white and red. The tip is going to be white of your angle brush. The tip is white, and the heel is going to be red. And you're just going to get in there and kind of back and forth to where you're going to blend it a little bit. You're going to blend it. Now to do a rose bud, you're going to put your brush down, and you're going to, with your white tip up, and you're going to squiggle just like this. Squiggle up and down 3 or 4 times and just bring it around like that. Almost looks like a heart, right? And then the key to this is always reloading your brush. What I'm gonna do, somewhere like right up here, is I'm gonna make that rose bud coming out of this rose. And all I'm gonna do is make like a half moon. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna restroke it because I don't want that black to show through. Like that. That's the first part of your bud. You're gonna go up and over, and then you're gonna go take that point, and you're gonna go about halfway, make yourself a little half moon going up, and then you're gonna go all the way over, and you're gonna make another half moon like that. I'm gonna restroke it because I don't want the black showing through. I'm gonna add some more petals. And there you go, you got a pretty little rose. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create another big flower here, like right right below this one. It's looking very rose-ish, right? Create another little petal right there. Wherever you look at it and you think it needs a little something, you go for it. All right. And then I think instead of going inside the heart, I think I'm going to go outside the heart over here, and I'm going to create a little bud. Like that. So you got a little bud off the side here going on. We need more buds, so let's get to getting and do that. Okay, so now we got to put some more leaves in here because we don't have near enough leaves, remember. Pink leaves, pinkish colored leaves. So we're going to put a little bit of pink and white together and see what we come up with here. These are just some small pink leaves. I'm liking that. All right, that works. Then I'm going to turn this, you can pick any brush you want, but I'm going to go in with some white, and I'm going to make some, just like some little dots here and there. Okay. All right, guys. What do you think so far? So that would be pretty right there. That says love. Get a little white pin so that we can, and then I'm just going to go inside each little dot here. Anyway, I think I'm going to go with the red because I think it'll be really pretty against this black. So I think I'm going to do that. Got my little tray here. Okay, and I'm just going to take the ruby red like that, and my little picker pen that comes in the Totally Dazzled applicator, rhinestone applicator kit, and I'm going to take some E7000. So anyway, now what I want to do is I want to take some a script liner, my script liner brush here. Where I want to put the scripture John 3:16 on it, or maybe I should just put it right underneath. I think right here is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to write it. I like the John 3:16 on there. I think it needed to be there. And yes, I'm going to sign it over here. I'm going to add some more of the Totally Dazzled. I think it needs a little bit more bling. How pretty did that turn out, you guys? I love this.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.